All right, you are going to love this one. This is one of my all-time favorite healthy wraps. Anti-inflammatory, high energy, high protein. It's just two ingredients. It takes just exactly 3 minutes, and you're going to love it, I promise. However, it is a little controversial, and you'll see why in a second. Let's go to the protein. Okay, so now that I'm 53, my philosophy is eating as simple as possible and reducing all that decision fatigue. Getting to the kitchen. What am I going to eat? What am I going to cook? And looking at a cookbook, and they say simple. There was one recipe book I saw. It said simple ingredients, and one recipe had 29 ingredients. What are you talking about? Forget all that stuff. Always start with the protein, right? The protein is the key. So protein today, ingredient number one is going to be salmon. I love salmon. This is just a 5-ounce piece of salmon, and this is what we're going to use today. All right, so I like to prep my salmon really easily. You could use lemon juice, but we're just going to use a fresh lemon right here. I cut it in half, just a little bit of lemon juice on there. Look at that. We're getting shifty today. And then add whatever spices you like. I'm old school, and old school goes Old Bay. They're not a sponsor. I just like this stuff. It's good. So I'm not shy with the Old Bay. Now, here's where things get crazy. How are we going to cook this delicious piece of salmon for our wrap in just 3 minutes? We're going to do it without using the stove. We are using the microwave. Yes, the microwave. Here's how it goes. Step number one, this is really important. You take a wet paper towel and place it over. That's it, a wet paper towel. That's really important. Do not forget that step. Step number two, open the microwave. And I got a fancy schmancy drawer microwave. They're going to shut it. And the key is timing. Now, obviously, it's going to depend on the type of microwave you have. Everyone says, Ryan, how many watts yours? I have no clue, but I'll look it up and I'll put it below. When it comes to the amount of time, it depends on your microwave. But I found in most cases, 3 minutes exactly works well. So we're just going to set this for 3 minutes. So as that's going, let's get the wrap ready. So since I went gluten-free-ish a few years ago, I've recently discovered these egg white wraps, which I love. Again, not a sponsor, but I really like it. Now, the only thing you have to be careful about with these are egg white, they're made just entirely with egg whites, is they stick together. So you have to open them really slow. Otherwise, it rips in half. Look at that. And then I'm just going to place them on the plate, and we're going to get ready as the salmon's cooking. So here's when we start having fun with the wrap. You can add whatever spices. You can add salsa or guacamole. Go crazy. People say, I like salt, I like pepper. Do whatever you want. There's no rules. I like to make them kind of plain and then use your creativity. For me, my favorite with the salmon wrap, I'm a big fan of peppers. So I love roasted red peppers and I love banana peppers as well. So today we're going to go, actually, you know what we're going to do? Here's what we're doing. We're making 2 wraps. So the 5-ounce piece of salmon, we're going to cut in half. We're going to do one with the roasted red peppers, one with the banana peppers, because why not? No rules. And remember, because these egg white wraps are refrigerated, they're going to be cold. So I suggest you put them in the microwave for about 15 seconds or so. So I'm going to put them in the microwave right when the salmon is done. And I'm telling you, you are going to be shocked with how good this salmon comes out. You might be saying, well, Ryan, can't you just cook it on your beautiful kitchen on the stove? Yeah, you can. But sometimes you don't want to do the extra pan and the cleanup. And if you're watching this, maybe you don't have access to a stove. So most people can find a microwave. That just beeped, so we are ready. Get out. I'm going to let this cool for a sec. Let's put the egg white wraps in for about 15 seconds. How do you like this camera angle? I just do this by myself with my phone. I don't have a camera. It's time for a camera crew. Now, here is the test. Let's do hot. Let's do the unwrapping. Woo! You can see the steam coming off. Look how good that looks. And I'm going to cut it for you. You ready to see this? This is cooked perfectly, and it's dripping all over the kitchen counter. You probably don't want to do that. Oh, the wrap's beeping. Let's go. All right, we're going to take out the egg white wraps. They're done. We're going to put them on the counter here. All right, so with my 5-ounce salmon, that's actually, for me, that's a good number for 2 egg white wraps. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the red peppers on one, and then I'm going to put the banana peppers on the other wrap. So then the salmon on one, the salmon on the other. You don't want to miss one piece. And here we go. We've got in just 3 minutes 2 salmon wraps, which can go for lunch, can go for dinner, you can go anytime, and it is so good. I promise you're going to love this. And speaking of loving, have you ever tried salmon in the microwave before? You might be thinking, there's no way. Give it a try. I've had a lot of my friends try it, and they're obsessed with it. Before I go, can you just like and subscribe? Just hit the little subscribe button and show YouTube, hey, I kind of like these guys' crazy recipes. And the second thing, I created this handy dandy 1-page grocery swap sheet. So if you go into the supermarket, grocery store, just take this with you and try some little substitutions and see what you like. But it's all here. It's all free. You can either click the link below or the QR code if you watch it on TV, and you'll be able to download this and print this for free. And speaking of free things, check out the next video. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some wraps to eat. And yes, I actually eat this stuff.